everyone. My name is Little Brown Bunny. Oh my, we're a little low on eggs this year. So I'm gonna need your help.
Hi, Mr. Bunny. My name is Tiffany Garcia, and I'm a librarian at the San Jose Public Library. I, too, am low on eggs this year, so I won't be able to use any this year to decorate and have fun hiding them. But I was wondering if you had an idea as to how we can make this a fun scavenger hunt, even if we're doing it inside. What do you think?
Oh, can you help me make some eggs with paper? Oh, they will be super pretty if decorated. Oh, please, 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 please.
For this activity, you will need colored pencils, markers, a pencil, and paper. Cardstock is preferred, but paper will do just well. Okay, now I have my cardstock paper, my colored pencils, markers, and pencil. What do I do now? Now you are going to fold your paper in half long ways, and then you're going to fold it halfway short ways, and then you're going to fold the ends inwards to the center. And same thing for the other side. And then fold it up so that you have 8 squares. Okay, I have my 8 squares. Now what? Now you are going to draw an egg. You can use your pencil or colored pencil or whatever you have to draw with. Make sure to make it nice and big to almost fill up the whole page. Now you're going to cut them out. By cutting them out, you will have 8 eggs. You see? Because it had 8 layers. Okay, Mr. Bunny, I have my 8 eggs now. Now you get to decorate. Have fun doing this. You can draw different things such as stars, polka dots, stripes, zigzags, anything you want. Have fun. Make sure to pause this video before proceeding. Hey, Mr. Bunny, I'm back now. I've finished decorating my eggs. Now what? Ooh, they look so pretty. Now you can turn them over and start working on activities. Here are some activities you can do with yourself and others. You might like to do activities such as hop like a bunny 4 times. On the back of each egg, you get to write what activity you like to do. You can decide to do a trail of eggs, and the last egg will tell you where the treasure is or where all the treats are. So for this one, I might hide under a coffee table. It says, find your next clue under the vacuum. It's like a fun scavenger hunt. You can also decide to make these eggs into coupons. So if I find 2 pieces of M&Ms on an egg and having 8 eggs or more, that will be a lot of M&Ms. You can also use other items to make this fun activity work. Hi, Mr. Bunny. So I have selected activity eggs and have written instructions on the back of each egg. Now, what should I do with them?
What can I do with all these colorful eggs? I know. I can hide them. Around the house, all over the place. Yes, I can. Oh, boy, this is going to be fun. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Fun. Let's have some fun. Oh, boy.
I'm sure they will, Mr. Bunny. Thank you so much for sharing how we can make Easter eggs this year.
It was my pleasure, Miss Tiffany.
Here are some other activities you could do, such as hop like a bunny 4 times, do 2 jumping jacks, maybe moo like a cow twice, or maybe twirl twice. Pretend to sit on a chair for 3 Mississippis. Give everyone a high five. Show a dance move. Scratch your ear and shake your leg like a dog. Get a quarter from Dad. Get a dollar from Grandma. Give a kiss to Mom. Give a sibling a tight hug. Clean your room tomorrow. Act like a chicken for a full minute. Or sing part of your favorite song. Or maybe you get a free pass to stay up late 1 more hour. These are just some activities that you could put on the back of the eggs. Remember, you can make your own activities. These are just some suggestions.
And most important of all, don't forget, have a happy Easter, and please stay healthy. Bye.
Thank you for joining me and the San Jose Public Library. I hope you have enjoyed this program, and don't forget, have a happy Easter and stay healthy. Please take a few minutes to fill out our program survey below.